In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your website on Wix seamlessly. If you've been meaning to make changes to your site but aren't quite sure how to go about it, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in and start with the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for designing and updating your site. To begin, you'll need to access this editor. Simply open your preferred web browser, head over to the Wix website, and log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate and select the site you wish to edit. This will bring you into the Wix website editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a Publish button. Clicking this button is crucial because publishing your site is what makes your updates visible to the world. Essentially, the updates you make won't show up online until you hit Publish. It's important to remember, draft and save your edits as you make them, but to truly update your live site, always publish those changes. After hitting Publish, a prompt will appear confirming that your updates were successful, and you can click Done to complete that process. Next, let's talk about making specific changes, like updating text on your site. Click on the text box of the section you wish to change. This action opens up various editing tools that allow you to modify text, such as changing the font size, style, color, and even the actual content of the text itself. Feel free to experiment with these tools until your site's text looks just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the edits, navigate back to the Publish button. Clicking this again will ensure that the changes you've just made are reflected online. After you publish, as mentioned earlier, there's that prompt to confirm the updates. Click Done, and rest assured your site's text changes are now live. To make sure everything appears as expected from a viewer's perspective, you can easily preview your site. The preview option is available in the editor as well. Click Preview to switch to a viewer mode and see how your recent text updates appear on the live site. This feature is incredibly useful for spotting any potential adjustments you might want to make before committing to the final version. To recap, accessing the Wix website editor, clicking Publish to update, editing text, and previewing changes are all steps to maintaining and updating your Wix site effectively. Regularly reviewing and updating your website not only keeps the content fresh, but also ensures that your site remains engaging and relevant to your audience. Thank you for watching. Happy editing, and I hope your site turns out exactly as you envision it.